Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make this cinnamon swirled bread. It's very easy to make. So I'm going to start with the double batch. And I'm using regular active dry yeast. So you could also use instant yeast. It goes a little bit quicker. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it sit in the warm water for about 10 minutes together with some sugar. We're going to do 4 tablespoons of sugar. Then we're going to do 3 cups of warm water. You want the water to be between 100 and 110. I'm going to give that a quick stir. And then I'm going to let it sit for about 10 minutes. So I'm going to prepare my pans. I take a little bit of wax paper, a little bit of butter on it. After putting the butter in there, take a little flour and sprinkle it. Then you want to make sure you turn it upside down and shake it out one time. Okay, now the yeast is ready. Nice and bubbly. Four tablespoons of milk butter. Plus 2 teaspoons of Himalayan salt. You can use any salt you like, but it has to be fine salt. 4 tablespoons of soft butter. And 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I make my own vanilla extract. If you want to see a video on that, I will link it in the description below. And we're going to add some honey. This is local honey from a friend of mine. And now we're ready for the flour. I use bread flour. We're going to add 8 cups. Now you want to knead this for 5 minutes. You're going to want to put a little bit of oil in the bowl. You're going to put the dough. I use organic canola oil because it's got the least amount of flavor. But avocado oil would work too, or any other oil that has little flavor. You want to put this in a warm place, about 85 degrees. I usually put mine next to the stove where it's warm while my oven is preheating.